Hi, I'm Faye, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the patch mount interchangeable Velcro patch system. Identify the front plate and the back plate, and then place your hand behind the small pocket of the backpack and press the front plate pin down on the center of the pocket, rotating back and forth until the pin goes all the way through. Now line up the pin and nut opening on the bottom plate and screw to finger tight, being careful not to over tighten. Now you're ready to swap the Velcro patches. It's that easy.